हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीबॉडी। पिला माने बर्तमान जो आम डिस्कसन करवा एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर द वेरी फंडामेंटल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दैट केमिस्ट्री, माने केमिस्ट्री जो फंडामेंटल एस्पेक्ट विषय गोटे जाऊँगी तर एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर। से एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर रो फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल तार अरेंजमेंट एवं डिटेल पढ़ा, क्वांटम नंबर पढ़ा। ये जो टर्म गुड़िक जोड़ा कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन आसीबो ए चैप्टर। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन हम जानिबा पीरियड टेबल पोजीशन एवं सेमानकर केमिकल एक्टिविटी बा केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी कौन हबो कौन नाए, किए का सह रिएक्शन करिवो कि रिएक्शन करिवोनी, कि इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करिवो कि इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करिवो कि इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयरिंग करिवो। एई टाइप जो डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टी गुड़िक आमे डिसाइड करिबा। ए जो स्ट्रक्चर माने स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम, atomic structure, atom ro structure means that is arrangement of the fundamental particles within that atom. atom भितरे जो fundamental particle सेमानकर arrangement को नहीं कि बर्तमान में different property को में explain करी परिबा। तेनो आज जो हमें start करिबा the chapter is that is atomic structure. So what are the fundamental particles that is present in an atom? So first we have defined what is the meaning of that atom. So atom, that is the smallest part of an element which may exist freely, which may not exist freely. That is atom, that is smallest part of an element. गोटे एलिमेंट जो कुछ मौलिक कौचे से मौलिकर सब क्षुद्राधिकृत अंश सबुठार छोट पार्ट जहाँ ताको हम कहे आटम, जो तुम पढ़ परमाणु। तो से एटम दैट इज स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दैट एटम, दैट इज स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दैट एलिमेंट। तेणु एटम रो स्ट्रक्चर विषय पढ़ा। तेणु एटम रो स्ट्रक्चर विषय पढ़ापे फास्ट आम देखा जे व्हाट आर द फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल्स दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन एन एटम। एटम भितर कौन कौन फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल अच्छी, एटम क्या नहीं तैयारी से विषय में डिटेल एनालिसिस करवा। तले फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल जो कुछ मौलिक उपादान परमाणु क्या नहीं तैयारी, तीनोटी फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल नहीं एटम तैयारी। दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन, दैट इज प्रोटॉन एंड अनदर दैट इज नोन एज न्यूट्रॉन. So these are the three fundamental particles that is present in an atom. तो atom भितरे तीनोटी fundamental particle अच्छे जार बर्तमान चार्ज देखिबा। इलेक्ट्रॉन that is negatively charged, proton that is positively charged, that is neutral, that is chargeless. Neutral that is neutron that is neutral in nature, that carry no charge. यार कौन सी प्रकार चार्ज नहीं। तेणु ये तीन टा फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल भितर बर्तमान देखा ये दुईटा फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल आटम भितर को जगह थे एवं यही पार्टिकल टी कोठे बर्तमान आटम रमानकर अरेंजमेंट को हम कहे एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर. सो द सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ द एटम, द सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ द एटम, फॉर एग्जांपल वी विल कंसीडर दिस एटम, एटम दैट इज कंसीडर्ड एज स्फेरिकल, स्फीयर भली धरुचे। ताले जदि स्फीयर है सेंटर में बर्तमान रहिबो कोन, central part of the atom that contains the protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons, they are present at the core of the atom, center of the atom, and around it the electrons are revolving. यार चतुर्दिगरे वृत्ताकार बाटरे बुलुची किए, यार चतुर्दिगरे वृत्ताकार बाटरे बुलुची किए इलेक्ट्रॉन। तो इलेक्ट्रॉन कौन डिफाइन करछे, the negatively charged particles that is revolving around the central part. Is this central part that is known as nucleus, जोटा ओडिया तुम पढ़ीच नाभिक केंद्र स्थल। तेणु सेंटर टाक हम कह प्रोटॉन, सेंटर है कौन, प्रोटॉन एवं न्यूट्रॉन। प्रोटॉन की चार्ज, प्रोटॉन ला पॉजिटिव चार्ज, न्यूट्रॉन की चार्ज न्यूट्रल। ताले बर्तमान प्रोटॉन एवं न्यूट्रॉन को नहीं तैयारी था पार्टा बर्तमान की चार्ज हम, दैट इज पॉजिटिव, because protons are positively charged, neutron that carry no charge, neutral, charge विहीन जोड़ा कहे chargeless। ताले बर्तमान सेंटर जोटा बर्तमान होचे न्यूक्लियस दैट इज मासिव मासिव माने कोन ओजनिया massive and positively charged. So this part that is known as nucleus. So around this central part electrons are revolving in certain permitted circular paths, and these circular paths are known as cells or orbit. So circular path gudikar naam che that is cell or the orbit. This is known as nucleus. Nucleus that contain protons and neutrons, that is known as nucleons. Proton neutron न कहिए हम कहे nucleons. Nucleons that is protons and neutrons, they are present at the nucleus. Proton एवं न्यूट्रॉन न्यूक्लियस रे रहिबा बा प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन टर्म हम न कहि कहबा न्यूक्लियन. तो न्यूक्लियंस आर प्रेजेंट एट द न्यूक्लियस. And this is the circular path around the central part of the atom where the electron is revolving. जो इलेक्ट्रॉन बुले से वृत्ताकार बाटर ना होची कोन that is known as cell or orbit. ता नाम तो सेल बा ऑर्बिट. तले बर्तन टी मार्क करो तीनोटी फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल भितरु प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स that is present at center, that is known as nucleus. And electrons, these are extra nuclear part, that is present at the extra nuclear part. अर्थात न्यूक्लियस को छाड़ला परे जो एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट जेरला सर्कुलर पाथ, that is there is the presence of that electrons. तेना से वृत्ताकार बाटर ना दोचे में सेल बा ऑर्बिट कहूचे. सेल बा ऑर्बिट कहूचे. ए सेल बा ऑर्बिट रे बर्तमान इलेक्ट्रॉन कोन करियो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द सेंट्रल पार्ट इन सर्टेन परमिटेड सर्कुलर पाथ्स, एंड दिस सर्कुलर पाथ्स आर नोन एज सेल्स और ऑर्बिट्स. ए सर्कुलर पाथ गुडिकर नाम देला में सेल कहूचे बा ता नाम दोचे कोन दैट इज ऑर्बिट. पहले बर्तमान देखिबा जे व्हाट रिगार्डिंग द चार्ज ऑफ दिस न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस चार्ज कोन हबो न्यूक्लियस बर्तमान मासिव एंड पॉजिटिव चार्ज. न्यूक्लियस मासिव और पॉजिटिव चार्ज कोन पहला बिकॉज़ देयर इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स. प्रोटॉन एवं न्यूट्रॉन सेंटर रे होला तेणु एटा मासिव एंड पॉजिटिव चार्ज. यार चतुर्थ जो वृत्ताकार बाटला सर्कुलर पाथ सेटा कोन दैट इज नोन एज सेल और द ऑर्बिट वेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन इज प्रेजेंट. तले बर्तमान देखिबा जे एटम और न्यूक्लियस. फर्स्ट देखे न्यूक्लियस इज मासिव ओजोनिया एंड पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. Nucleus is massive and positively charged. Second one, that is atom as a whole. जदि हमें टोटाल उपरे चिंता करिबा atom as a whole is neutral because it contains same number of electrons and protons. जेतिकी नेगेटिव चार्ज होइबो सेतिकी पॉजिटिव चार्ज होइबो जद्वारा कि सेटा कोन न्यूट्रल. तो सेंटर बर्तमान देखो तीनोटी फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल नै एटम तेला इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन. सेंटर होला प्रोटॉन एवं न्यूट्रॉन माने होल मास ऑफ द एटम दैट इज कंसंट्रेटेड एट द सेंटर. तेणु आटम टोटाल मास सेंटर कनसेंट्रेट होती प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन जी धारण कर रखी तार चतुर्थ वृत्ताकार बाटे बर्तमान इलेक्ट्रॉन बुलूची. तेणु बर्तमान हम कह कौन जे सेल्स. तेणु बर्तमान आटम आज ए होल दैट इज न्यूट्रल. कौन कहवा न्यूक्लियस कौन पॉजिटिव कले एटा पॉजिटिव प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रल न्यूट्रल. तेणु टोटाल चार्ज जब मिसेबा चार्ज अच्छे दैट इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. सो न्यूक्लियस इज मासिव ओजोनिया then a whole mass of the atom that is concentrated at the center and positively charged, positive charge. तापर देखिए atom as a whole is neutral because it contains same number of philotons and same number of protons. Total जब हमें परमाणु चार्ज कथा चिंता करिबा सेटा चार्ज विहीन कौन पे चार्ज विहीन because that contains same number of philotons that is negative charge and same number of protons that is positive charge, therefore the charge is zero, atom that is chargeless. So these are the three fundamental particles that is present. So instead of that proton and neutron, the collective term that you can use, that is collective term that is known as nucleons. आम कह सेंटर कौन अच्छी प्रोटोन एवं न्यूट्रॉन आ गोटे पिला जब कह सेंटर न्यूक्लियन माने अच्छी nucleons are present at the center. Nucleons are present at the center. The nucleon गोटे center अच्छे कहवा ताले प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन that is nucleus. So central. So from this we conclude that there is the presence of the three fundamental particles within the atom, that is electron which is negative charge, proton that is positively charged, and neutron that is neutral in nature. So at the center of the atom, that is known as nucleus, that is massive and positively charged because of the presence of protons and neutrons, and around that nucleus electrons are revolving in circular path, and these circular paths are known as shells or orbit. So if we will compare the mass of that atom, that is massive part is nucleus and that is positively charged, but if we will compare that is mass of the atom as a whole, that is chargeless. Why the atom that is chargeless? Because that contains same number of electrons and same number of protons, therefore that is chargeless. So this is regarding, that is the arrangement of the fundamental particles. Next will give how to calculate the number of electrons, protons and neutrons within that atom and how they have been arranged within that atom. We will discuss again. So next we have to calculate the number of electron, proton. Let us consider that is X. Let us consider X, that is a symbolic representation of an element. X, that is the symbolic representation of an element, that is atomic number, that let it be Z, mass number, let it be A. So Z, that stands for, that is atomic number, that is equal to number of electrons, that is equal to number of protons. Z, that stands for atomic number, that is equal to number of electrons, that is equal to number of protons. So A, that stands for, that is mass number, that is equal to sum of numbers of protons and neutrons. A, that stands for that mass number, that is the sum of, that is numbers of protons and neutrons. So you know the number of protons that is equal to Z, number of protons that is equal to Z, but A is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. A is equal to the sum of numbers of protons and number of neutrons, but number of protons that is equal to Z. So instead of that P, we can put that is Z. So that is equal to Z plus N. Why? Instead of that number of protons P, number of protons, we have to put that Z. So atomic number, that is equal to number of electrons, that is equal to number of protons. Then mass number, that is the sum of numbers of protons and neutrons. So instead of that P, we have to put that Z. So A is equal to Z plus N. A is equal to Z plus N. That implies N is equal to A minus Z. N is number of newtons. Number of newtons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. But the question is, which fundamental particle that is responsible for atomic number? Which fundamental particle that is responsible for atomic number? The option is number of newtons, number of protons, number of kilotons, all, or number of kilotons and protons both. The appropriate answer for this one, that is number of protons, not number of kilotons. ये बर्तमान देख पे आम लिखीचे कौन मुझे लिखिली एटॉमिक नंबर इज इक्वल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन दैट इज इक्वल नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन कसारे प्रोटॉन संख्या तो जहाँ इलेक्ट्रॉन संख्या से ताले प्रोटॉन कहीं के हम कुछ प्रोटॉन संख्या ही एटॉमिक नंबर को डिसाइड करे कहीं की ना इलेक्ट्रॉन संख्या कौन हुए जब हमें केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन करिबा फॉर एग्जांपल सोडियम 281 तो ऑक्टेट रूल पाया पाई असर सूत्र धारण करिया पे से कौन गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन छाड़ी पारे ऑक्टेट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फर्मेशन पाए पे से गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन छाड़िबो क्लोरीन एटम 287 ऑक्टेट पाए पे से गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन ग्रहण करिबो तेणु ड्यूरिंग दैट केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन इलेक्ट्रॉन मे बी लॉस्ट मे बी गेन्ड मे बी शेयर्ड तेणु इलेक्ट्रॉन संख्या लॉस हो पारे गेन हो पारे शेयर हो पारे किंतु प्रोटॉन संख्या कौन हुए प्रोटॉन संख्या जहाँ से ही थाए दैट रिमेन्स इंटैक्ट माने जहाँ थी से ही रुए. So number of proton that remains same, therefore proton is the fundamental particle responsible for atomic number, that is responsible for atomic number. That is the number of proton, not number of electrons, because number of electrons may be lost, gained or shared. Then how to calculate? So this is the symbolic representation of that element X. We have determined that atomic number. We have taken that Z as the atomic number, that is equal number of electrons, number of protons. A that is mass number, that is numbers of protons and number of newtons sum. So number of newtons, number of A is equal to Z plus N. That implies N is equal to A minus Z. So I have to cite some examples to calculate number of electrons, protons and newtons. For example, that is X, or you can take that is N, number of newton calculation. For example, aluminum, that is 1327. So L, that is X. Instead of that X, we have taken that L. So L that represent for, that is symbolic representation for that aluminum, and this 13 that represent for atomic number, that is equal number of electrons, that is equal number of protons. 27 that represents for, that is mass number, that is equal to sum of numbers of protons and newtons. So instead of that P, we can put that 13. So N is equal to 27 minus 13. So number of newtons, that is your mass number minus atomic number, 27 minus 13, that is 14. So this is how we have calculated, that is number of electrons, protons and newtons in this species. If we give some examples, more examples, for example, K 1939, K that represents for kalium, that is potassium, that is obtained from the Latin word kalium, K. Kalium atomic number, that is 19, that is equal number of electrons, that is equal number of protons. 39 that is mass number, that is equal to number of protons and newtons. So number of newtons, that is equal to 39 minus 39, mass number minus atomic number, mass number minus atomic number, that gives rise to number of newtons. we have to arrange this fundamental particle. We are explaining regarding that structure of that atom means how these fundamental particles that has been arranged within that atom. Atom भितर तीन टाक fundamental particle के arrangement है जिता विषय में study करिया. कि up to 10th level तुम जोड़ा पढ़ी चा केवल सेल पर्यंत पढ़ी चा तो नहीं सेल विषय बर्तमान में सजेवा सब सेल किंतु ता परवर्ती हम पढ़िबा सब सेल ऑर्बिटल किंतु अरेंजमेंट होची तले एल्युमिनियम एटम सेंट्रल पार्ट के रहबो न्यूक्लियस न्यूक्लियस अब कहते हैं 13 नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स आ कौन रहबो 14 नंबर ऑफ न्यूटन्स 13 number of protons because protons are neutron they are concentrated at the center so that contain 30 number of protons and 40 number of neutrons and around it the 13 number of kilotons they have been arranged. So how these 30 number of kilotons are arranged? The first cell that contains 2 kilotons, second cell that contains 8 kilotons, 4 pairs, 2, 8, and the third cell that contains 3 kilotons, 1 pair and 1 unpaired. That is 2, 8, 3. Aluminum 13, 2, 8, 3. So this is regarding the model for that aluminum atom, that is arrangement of these 3 fundamental particles, that is electron, proton and neutron within that atom. So this is regarding the model for that aluminum. Next we will explain for that potassium. So the potassium that contain 19 number of protons and 20 number of neutrons. So they are present at the core of the atom. This is positive charge. That the presence of 19 number of the protons, 20 number of neutrons, and electrons. How many number of electrons are there? Number of electrons 19. How these 19 number of electrons they have been arranged in different cells. First cell 2 electrons, then 8, then 8, then 1. 2, 8, 8, 1. So regarding the arrangement of the electrons in different cells, first cell that contains 2 electrons, second cell that contains 8 electrons, third cell that contains 8 electrons again, and fourth cell that contains only 1 electron. So that is 2, 8, 8, 2, 8, 8, 1. 2, 8, 8, 1. 2 electrons in the first cell, 8 electrons in the second cell, 8 electrons in the third cell, and 1 electron in the fourth cell, which counts about, that is 19. 19 इलेक्ट्रॉन बर्तमान ए टाइप अरेंजमेंट रहे तेणु ये टाइप बर्तमान जो एनालिसिस करछे बाय गिविंग सुटेबल एग्जांपल्स हाउ दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रोटॉन्स आर अरेंज्ड. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ विल टेक द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ फॉर एग्जांपल दैट इज phosphorus atomic number that is 15, mass number that is 31. So number of electron 15, number of proton that is also 15, the number of neutrons that is 31 minus 15, 31 minus 15 that is equal to 16. So how these 3 fundamental particles they have been arranged within that atom, center that contains, that is 15 number of the protons, 16 number of the neutrons, and 15 number of electrons. Arrangement 2, 8, 5. Arrangement of the 15 number of electrons as 2, 8, 5. First cell that contains 2 electrons, 8, 5. 2, 8, 5. Then these 5 electrons, they have been arranged, one pair, 3 number of unpaired electrons are there. In some cases, we are giving 3 pair, 3 unpaired means, तुम मतलब इटा कोई सारे गोटे पेयर गोटे अनपेड हेनी कि एक्सप्लेनेशन करवा या परवर्ती जो आम पढ़ा सेल दैट डिवाइड टू सबसेल सबसेल दैट डिवाइड टू ऑर्बिटल सेल को भांगी पाइबा सबसेल सबसेल भांगी पाइबा ऑर्बिटल तेणु सेल थिबा इलेक्ट्रॉन गुड़िक सबसेल सजा हम सबसेल इलेक्ट्रॉन थिबा से ऑर्बिटल सजा हे तेणु को मैंने पेडिक रे को मैंने अनपेडिक रे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन जो इलेक्ट्रॉन संरचना तार कलापर सेल सबसेल ऑर्बिटल को नहीं डिफरेंट रूल को नहीं कलापर आम डिटेल जापर मन कर आम देखा एग्जांपल दैट इज हाइड्रोजन 1H1 then how to calculate number of electrons protons and neutrons number of electrons that is 1 number of proton that is 1 number of neutron that is 1 minus 1 that is 0 so in the entire period table this is only the element that is devoid of that neutron entire period table ये हूँ गोटे एलिमेंट जो एलिमेंट रे कि न्यूट्रॉन नहीं that is hydrogen that is known as protium not the other form of that isotopes of that hydrogen protium deuterium tritium there are the 3 forms of that hydrogen जोड़ा हम कहे आइसोटोप कहे से आइसोटोप भर जोड़ा प्रोटियम कहे तार न्यूट्रॉन नहीं तो ये टाइप बर्तमान देखिले जे how to calculate the fundamental particles that is electrons protons and neutrons within that atom and we have explained that how these fundamental particles they have been arranged how to calculate and how they have been arranged within that atom but in more detail we can explain the arrangement of that electrons within that atom whenever we will explain regarding the division of the cells into subcells and subcells into that is orbitals. Next we will define what are the different isoterms. Iso माने same समान थिबा किछि स्पेसीज विषय हम एनालिसिस करिबा. For example the first one that is isotope. Isotope that is same atomic number but different mass number. तेणु जो मौलिक गुड़िकर से एका मौलिक होते सेम एलिमेंट सेम एटॉमिक नंबर मीन्स दैट इज सेम एलिमेंट दैट इज सेम एलिमेंट दैट इज सेम एटॉमिक नंबर दैट इज हैविंग सेम पोजीशन द पीरियड टेबल बट दे हैव डिफरेंट मास नंबर्स. डिफरेंट मास नंबर कौन पे डिफरेंट मास नंबर्स ड्यू टू different number of neutrons. Number of neutrons that will different. So those species, these are having same atomic number, say that is different mass number, different number of neutrons, that is known as isotope. For example, 1H1, 1H2, 1H3, carbon 612, carbon 613, carbon 614, chlorine 1735, chlorine 1737, lead Pb82 206, lead Pb82 208, uranium 92 235, uranium 92 238, just like this. All they are the examples of that is all they are the examples of that isotope. These are the same elements, same atomic number but different mass number. All these are the pairs of that is isotopes. Same element, same atomic number but different mass number, that is known as isotope. Then how to define that is isobar. how to define that isobar, that is different elements means different atomic numbers but same mass number, that is isobar. Different elements, different atomic numbers, that is having different position in the periodic table, but they have same mass number, that is known as isobar. For example, that is argon 18 40, that is calcium 20 40, argon 18 40. These are the two different elements. These are the two different elements, different atomic numbers but same mass numbers, that is known as isobar. That is known as isobar. So since the elements are different, they will take different position in the periodic table, different physical properties, different chemical properties, but they have only similarity with respect to, that is mass number. They have same mass number. Then how to define, that is third one, that is isotone. Different elements having same number of neutrons. Different elements having same number of neutrons. Neutrons are same, elements are different. Elements are different means they have different physical properties, different chemical properties, different position in the periodic table, but they contain same number of neutrons. For example, silicon 14 that is 1428, aluminum 1327. You will calculate number of neutrons. What will happen? Number of neutrons, that is number of neutron, mass number minus atomic number. 28 minus 14, that is 14. 27 minus 13, that is 14. They contain same number of neutrons. 28 minus 14, 14. 27 minus 13, that is 14. That contains same number of the neutrons, that is known as isotone. Similarly, you can take the examples of these others, that is fluorine F 919, fluorine 919, or you can take neon 1020, neon 1020. You will calculate number of neutrons, that is 19 minus 9, that 10, 20 minus 10, that is 10, that contains same number of neutrons. So those species which are having same number of neutrons, that is known as isotones, that is isotone. Similarly, we can cite what is the meaning of that fourth one, that is isodiapher. Isodiapher, that is having same value of n minus p, that is having same value of n minus p. For example, uranium 92 238, that is thorium 90 234. You will calculate values that n, number of protons and number of, that is difference, that is n minus p. What will happen? So in this case, number of neutron 238 minus 92, that is 146. 234 minus 19, that is 144. 238 minus 92, 146. 234 minus 90, that is 144. Then number of protons 92, number of protons, that is 90. Then what is the value of that n minus p? N minus p 146 minus 92, that is 54. 146 minus 92, that is 54. 144 minus 90, that is 54. They are having same value of, that is n minus p. So this is regarding the different isoterms that we have explained. So first we have discussed regarding, that is what are the fundamental particles that is present, electron, proton, neutron, and regarding this calculation of fundamental particles, number of electrons, protons and neutrons, how they can be calculated, and they have been arranged within that atom, that is model of that atom. And similarly we have explained the different terms like isotope, in which atomic numbers are same, isobars, that is mass numbers are same, isotones, that is number of neutrons are same, isodiapher, that is they are having same value of, that is n minus p. So go through this in detail. So in the coming class we will discuss the different again the different isotones and how this electron protons they have been arranged on the basis of that quantum numbers. Thank you all.